Yes, so welcome back. So let's continue the points. Yes. This is the second part. We are continuing from the 24th point. Okay. Now the 25th point. The 25th point is that the molarity of a given solution M is defined as the number of moles. So 25th point. Okay. Let me just show you this. Yes, now see, 25th point says that the molarity of a given solution. In a solution, there is a molarity. Then the M is represented by. Represented means what is the meaning of it? Meaning is number of moles. Number of moles. Now, number of moles, okay, but where in the of a solute, the mole which are present, how many moles is present in solute? There are those moles, but in how many kg? How many? 1 kg. A mole of 1 kg present in a solute. Okay, 1 kg, or you can say 1000 gram of solvent. Okay, understood? Then the formula will be M is equal to N upon W. W but in what? Kg. W in kg means kilogram. Now M is equal to W upon GMW, not BMW, okay, GMW. 100 upon W in grams. In grams. Okay, this formula and this formula is very important. Okay. Can you tell me the units of molarity? The units is moles, mole, kg. Mole slash kg, this is the units, keep in mind. Okay, then the 26th point. Okay, 26th point says that the ratio between the number of moles. So, number of moles N1, N2, N3, N3, N4, and so many. The ratio, I'll just turn off this slide and on this slide. Now you can see properly. So, number of moles represented, but if they are asking the ratio of the number of moles, okay. So, what is it given? The ratio between the number of moles. What is the ratio between the number of moles of a component of the solution to the total number of moles? Understood? So the ratio between this number of moles up to the total number of moles means the infinite. Till that much, how much is the where am I focus? How much is the ratio? So here we'll use and the total number of moles of all the components of the solution is called mole fraction. Understood? So if you want to find a ratio between the moles, then you will have to find it in the way of mole fraction. Understood? This was the definition of mole fraction. The formula will be and mole fractions unit is chi. This sign is known as chi. Okay. No, not this. Now it's known as chi. So mole fraction chi 1 is given over there. So here, sorry, not 1, just chi. Now chi I. Why I? Because we are finding the ratio. Ratio's sign is what? I. So the ratio of mole fraction is equal to, in bracket, Ni upon N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus N4 and so on. Those all which are given in the question or any example, you have to use this formula. Understood? If you are telling to find a ratio, use this formula. Good? I hope you are understanding. Yes, I know. I think my words are getting a little bit more space, but I'm trying to, because I want to make you understand, me understand. Okay. 27 point. What is the 27 point given? The number of gram formula units present in 1 liter of solution is called formality. So this is very easy and important. Number of gram formula units. Understood? For gram formula units. If you don't, just keep in the mind, it is a equivalent grams. Okay. Like equivalent number of equivalent grams in 1 kg of solution is called molarity. Like that, number of gram formula units, okay, present in 1 liter of solution. Okay, I hope you can say that. Okay, but I will write proper. Of solution. Of 1 liter solution. So what will the formula will be here? Sorry, it is called formality. And formality's unit is F. So unit nahi, it is short form. Mole fraction short form is chi. Units means this. Which is that molarity. What is the units of molarity? Mole kg. Just like that. That's the units. This is just a short form. F for formality. Now we have a formula. Therefore, what will be the formula? F is equal to W upon GFW multiplied by 1 upon V in liters. When liters present, we have to use here 1. Okay. Now, or instead of liter, if it's present in F is equal to if it's present in ml, so as you know, 1 ml is equal to, tell me, 1 ml is equal to 1000 liter, isn't it? Let's just check once. You also check, I'll also check. Sorry, my mistake. It is the same, just I have wrote the sorry, I have wrote the units wrong. Later, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Okay. So now we are gonna rule for ml. Ml means the 1000. So instead of 1, we'll put 1000 and liter ml. W is equal to GFW multiplied by 1000 upon V ml. Okay. This is a two formula. This one in liters and this one in milliliters. That's the difference. Or means you cannot like choose this one or this one. According to the question, you choose. This both is a formula. You have to use it for every example if it's given in that particular question. Okay. Take a screenshot. Wait, I'll adjust the camera to take a screenshot. Just wait. Okay, finally my room has been cleaned. Now let's continue. Okay. Actually, my room was getting cleaned, that's why I stopped for a while. Okay. So clean. Okay. And have you took a screenshot? Okay. Now let's continue. Where is it? Here. I think you have shown my panorama of the room. Okay. The point number 28. The point number 28 says that the molarity in terms of WV percentage. Molarity terms of means it is in the form of WV percentage. Then what I will do, we have formula W is equal to W. Sorry, not W, sorry. We are finding molarity, so M. I will complete, okay. M is equal to 10 multiplied by WV percentage upon GMW. Gram molecular mass. I will just make a note of here. Quick note. GMW means gram molecular mass. This is just a basic, but it's very important. If these words come, then what you'll say? I don't know what is. No. But I am telling you here what is the meaning of these words. Now, GMW means gram molecular mass. GFW means gram formula mass. Okay. if it's given W, so you have to write weight, okay? Or if it's given M, so you have to write mass. Weight and mass is same only. Last one, GEW means gram. EW means equivalent weight. Just make a note of this. Okay? Or no need, this is just easy, just have to keep it in mind. We'll move to next point, which is a 29th point. 29 point, what it says that 29 point says that molarity in terms of, now it is terms of density. What will be the formula? So density formula will be M is equal to 10 multiplied by D multiplied by X, okay, upon GMW. Now this is a formula. I'll tell you what are these values. This 10 you know, M you know, molarity. GMW means I told you that first point, gram molecular weight. So D means density, easy. X means it is a WV, means WV percentage. Understood? It is the mass percentage. X is the mass percentage. Okay? I was gonna write here. Okay. Mass percentage. Okay, good. Now 30th point. Now in the molarity we have normality. In terms. So what is normality in terms of a percentage? Okay. So the percentage will be, wait a second. In terms of WV, same WV percentage, what will it be? In terms also we will write the formula same, but N is equal to 10 multiplied by WV percentage. Is it the same or no? Let's check. No, everything is same, just only this name is changed. Understood? This one, this name and this name is changed. See? Here equivalent is present, here molecular is present. Okay. This much is the difference, all are same. Then you can finally write 10Y is equal to GEW. This is not needed, okay? This is not needed. But if you want, you just remember. If it comes in exam, you just write it down. Or ask your teacher what is this Y, okay? I will also ask, don't worry. 31st point. Now normality again in present of density. Just same as for normality. I hope the formula also will be same. Let's see. Density. Okay, in terms of density, N is equal to same 10 multiply D multiply X. Here X is the mass percentage, means dW by V. Here then upon GeW. Here GeW is gram molecular weight. Gram equivalent weight is present. Or if it's given, you can use this formula as well. N is equal to 10 multiplied by SP gram multiplied by X. Okay. Here SP, yes, SPGR means specific gravity. Just keep in mind, specific gravity. Specific gravity of solute. Here we are talking about diluted concentration. Diluted solutions. Okay. SPGR multiplied by X, instead of density we have added this. Okay. And upon GaW. This formula is also applicable. Okay. Understood? Take a screenshot. Done? Yes. Now 32nd point. 32nd point. What we have. Okay, come on, let's do it. Let's finish this. Molality. Now we have the molality in terms of WV percentage. Here everything is same, but only formula has changed. Okay. Now we will see. M is equal to, formula will be M is equal to X upon GMW. Yes. GMW multiplied by 1000, 100 minus X. Okay. Here X represents WB percentage. Hope you understand? Yes. Easy. This is an easy formula. Just you have to remember this one and this one. Here also X is representing this. Okay. My room will be my floor will also will get clean. So when she comes, when the maid comes, I will have to stop for a minute. Okay. Stop means take a little bit break. Such a big. Okay, it will finish. Yes. Now 33rd point. Easy points these are. 33rd point when VAL. Now we have given a random volume. Okay. Of strong acid. A strong acid we have given a volume. But they don't give a specific value. We have given A. Okay. Now I'll treat this and this. Okay. Okay, this is the conditions. So what is the first condition? If NAVA is equal to NB VB, then what will get the result as? We'll get the result as the solution is solution is neutral. the solution is neutral. Okay, when we have VA is greater VB, then the solution will be, keep this in mind, it will come in exam where they will give this solution and you have to find if it's neutral what is basic. Okay, good. Then if it's like this, then we have a formula for a normality. For a normality we have a formula. The formula is NAVA minus NBVB. Okay, upon VA plus VB. Understood? Good. Acha, I got this. See, when we see that when the solution is acid, then we use this formula. And when in the third point, what it says, when the NaVA is less than NBVB. Wait, yeah. Okay, now the room is gonna get cleaned. I hope you understand the points. Okay, so let's wait till the room cleaned. Okay, till the time let's read the points which I have to screenshot or wrote. Now, how many points are left more? We are on the 32nd point. 4, 5, 6, 7. We have more 10 points to go, okay? It will be done. दार बंद करा बरं का. I think she's gone. Now let's start. Let's continue. Welcome back. Just take a little bit back. And now we are welcome back. Okay. Okay. We were continuing with this point. This point says that if NaVA is less than NBVB, okay. Then if the solution is basic, means base. The opposite of acid is base. Then we will use a formula NBVB minus just इसका उल्टा, okay? NaVA upon VA plus V, done, as it is. Okay, easy. Good. Good. 34th point. Solubility of a substance is its maximum amount that can be dissolved in a 100 gram of solvent at a specific temperature. Means at a temperature, at a given temperature, more solute can be dissolved in solvent, or you can understand by your own way. This is what I understand. Okay. Understood? You take a screenshot once. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. I'll realize it later for after this project. Now we have the 35th point. It says solubility. Solubility is equal to mass of solute, means the weight of solute upon mass of solvent multiplied by 100. This is the formula of solubility. Understood? Easy. Then we have 36 point. Now we want to see solubility. Now this is a topic of solubility starting. Okay. So you have to see solubility depends upon what factors. And okay. Let's see what are the factors depends upon. First, it depends upon nature of solute. We have heard so many solute words, and it is the life of the solubility. At the last, I will show you a very favorite line of mine in this solubility chapter, solution chapter. I'll show you my favorite line. That's the most favorite, and it is the most easiest. Then second, nature of solvent is easy. Third, what it says? Third says temperature, very important. Temperature is very important for solubility. Soluble means it can be soluble. Okay. And lastly, pressure. Pressure is also important. That's why these four factors the solubility depend upon. 37. Henry was the first to give a quantitative relation between the pressure and solubility of gas in a solvent, which is known as Henry's law. So we are here, what is this discussing? Henry was a scientist. He discovered a law. It was his law was that he was the first to give a quantitative relation. Means he was the first, okay. I told the favorite line of mine that it is, I will tell it now, not in later, because it's used now. Solute plus solvent gives the result as solution. This is my favorite point, the favorite line. Okay, so in this line, what is the Henry's law in it? They are saying that if um, two quantitative relation between the two, suppose I take oxygen plus H. Sorry, H plus O2. These are two elements, right? Different elements. So, what did the Henry do? Like this, any two components, he gave a relation. He searched a relation between each and every components. Okay. Okay. It can be any component. He gave a he was the first to give a quantitative relation, very important relation between the atom. So like this, what are the components for Henry? Actually, it's not the hydrogen or oxygen. I just give an example, like how he is understanding with the quantitative. So he found a quantitative relation between pressure. It was not actually hydrogen and oxygen. This is just a example. Okay, please. So he found a relative quantitative relation. It's a very okay between pressure and solubility. But of what? Gas. And gas is present in solvent. These two, he found the relation between these two, understood? And this relation he found in between them came to be known as Henry's law. This came to be known as Henry's law. Understood? Henry was a very famous scientist, or you can say he was a very famous chemist. Understood? Yes. Or no, I don't know. You understood? Tell me in comments. .38 point. This law states that the mass of a gas dissolved by a given volume of liquid. This you will only understand. No need of explaining this point, right? It's what it's saying. The law, the Henry's law is saying that now it's telling the other simple meaning. So I will explain this much. So if you want, you can read that. The mass of a gas dissolved by a given volume of a liquid. Easy. So there is a volume of liquid, in that we have dissolved solute. Okay. A mass of gas. Gas is a solute, and the volume of a liquid is a solvent. We have dissolved mass of gas in the volume of liquid. Then at a very constant temperature. This whole system which I have done is proportional to the pressure of a gas. So the pressure of the gas, it is a proportional. Easy. 39 point. In 38 point, sorry, I forgot one thing. You remember this one only. M is equal to KHP. Or remember it like MP is equal to K H. Okay, just remember this much. 39 point. Here H means Henry's law. Yes, next point is about that only. Okay, it means constant. Is it a constant? What is a constant? Henry's law. Good. Are sorry, we are doing till only 30 sorry 40. We are only doing till 40. No, those 2 points were a different chapter. I was taking those 2 points as a physics. No, we are doing chemistry. We'll do chemistry only. So it's up till 40 only. Last point. Oh, I just found this difference. Means change. It's a 40 point. Sorry. So you are seeing that the pressure is applicable to what? The pressure is applicable to, okay, it is applicable to the pressure. It is applicable to the pressure, but pressure is not high. The pressure which is not high, it is applicable to the non-pressure substance. The pressure is not too high, or the temperature is not low. It should be medium. Every substance needs a medium something. Then the gas is not highly soluble. This is also important. Right here, third point says that gas not highly soluble. Okay. And it does not enter in chemical combination with the solvent. If the gas is not if the gas is not highly soluble, so it will not enter the chemical combination. Means the chemical process it will not enter. What will not enter? Law. That law will not work in that. And last point, the gas does not dissociate. This is the most important point. Keep it in mind. The gas does not dissociate. Okay, now we are done till 40 points. Otherwise, we have done the physics point also, but no. We want to go according to the subject. So now, did you understand till here? Please tell me. I know it was very rough. I explained very rough. I took a distance gaps in between, but I finally explained. Did you understand? If you understand, please subscribe to my video, like my video, share my video to everyone. Okay? If you have any concerns that this is a mistake, there is a mistake, you can tell me in the comments below. Okay? Till then, bye bye.